Hey YouTube, hey Jonas, Billy here, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing. We have another pack of booster Pokemon cards. Alright, let's get right into it. So I'm going to take the hollow at the top and place it in the back. And here we go. Alright, a ground energy. A ground energy, a ground energy. Wow. All right, a trainer potion. We got an acro bike. Oh, cool. We got a Zora or Zorua. A Skitty. Rhyhorn. Machoke. A Delcatty, Rhydon, Tangrowth, Lotad, Trico, a Lombre, a Fletchling, and our foil card is a Latios. Wow. It's the third pack, or third Latios we've gotten so far in the series. Still a very cool card. Alright. Well, that being our holo, that's it. I'd like to thank you all for viewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.